What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Louange. And I am back at it again with another one. Yeah, that's right, another video. Let's go. Before I get started, I just want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, subscribe, like it, comment. Let's interact with one another, okay? Share it so that our family can get bigger, okay? All right, so let's jump into it. All right, so let's talk about the wig itself. I actually made this wig by myself, and I think I actually did a pretty good job. If I do say so myself, it's probably one of my best wigs like ever that I've ever made. Like, it fits properly. There's no hiding things, you know, back there. That's usually how I be doing things. You just have to pretend that your wig is better than it actually is. So this one is it's a curly. I bought 3 bundles of curly hair that are 22 inches, and it has a 7x7 closure. And honestly, 7x7 closures, they give you the effect of a frontal without having it being a frontal. I love frontals, don't get me wrong, but sometimes they're just hard to deal with. So the 7x7s really just make it super duper easy. Right now it's not glued at all, and it's pretty like sturdy, but like I'm going to like use guts to be glued, because honestly it just gives it a little more extra oomph, you know, that you sometimes need. But the wig will stay without the guts to be.
Alrighty, so let's glue this mama down to the forehead. So I'm gonna obviously be moving the wig back first and making sure that it's set on the place that I actually want it to be, not too far forward and not too far back. So then use the Got2b spray to spray your forehead and any of the vicinities around that area, including your hair cap as well. I think that helps flatten out the hair cap so that it doesn't lift even when you have the wig on. And just spray, then dry it. I like to air dry because honestly it doesn't take that long, so I never need to bring a hair dryer. And then just plop your wig down onto your forehead. It looks like I'm being a little bit rough here, but I'm not. It's just simply the video is fast forwarded. I am actually really careful in order to make sure that I don't pluck out the hair from my lace. Then I use my clips to put my hair away from my face so that I will be able to add more spray, especially on the edges where I may have missed spraying glue. I just like doing this because I think it helps with laying down, especially the very front of your wig, just a little bit more. And I also like to spray where my part is. It helps to keep the part down as well. Then I'm going to just wrap my forehead area-ish with this old headscarf that I've owned probably for like a long time. And then once I've done that, I can proceed to like put makeup on as it dries, and then I'll be back.
So I've just Got2b glued it. I used the spray because who got time for the other version or whatever. So once it's done marinating to my forehead, you know, I'm gonna be right back and I will style it, okay?
Okay, your girl is back. Look at give 'em, show 'em. Okay, don't forget to check out my makeup tutorial in this look, you know, because I think I did my thing here, so check that out. So now I'm removing the clips, okay, because I think the hair is set and done and ready for me to do a little bit of styling. I didn't do too much, I'm not gonna lie, because the majority of the hard work is already done ahead of time. I have a very extensive way that I take care of my curly hair. Let me know if you ever want to see that, and I will I will do it for y'all. You know, I love y'all, so I will do it, period. So now I'm going to try to blend in my the part where the hair cap to my forehead, because I do think I did wear a hair cap that was a little bit too light for me, but honestly it was already too late, and already made the mistake, so all we gotta do is move. So I'm currently putting my concealer onto my forehead, and then I'm using a little bit of my eyeshadow in order to blend in the parting a bit more, just in case your concealer just goes where your hair is as well, not strictly where your lace is. You just need to correct that, and you can use eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, or even mascara. I usually do that, and then it really does help with making it appear more natural and blend it well, especially if your hair cap may not necessarily like match your skin tone at the time. So now I'm just spraying my hair with water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and also a hair moisturizer. The mixture really does help with making sure your curls stay bouncing and intact. Although curly hair can be really easy to take care of, it can also get messy really fast. So you need to make sure that you have proper care techniques for your curly hair. So yeah, so that's really how I'm gonna keep it for this video. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see that I sometimes wear this wig side parted, and it's great, and it honestly looks like a frontal without having the hassle of a frontal.
Okay, so we have come to the end. It's done. We are finished. I'm sorry, but it's done. I hope you like it. The quality is 1000% there, and I am like, that's really what makes this be such a great company to shop from. And before I go, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to comment, to share it. You should share it to your friends. Even your aunt who needs to upgrade her fashion, tell her to watch this video. All right, see you next time. I love you more than you know. Bye.